Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make traditional Balinese rice cake, or we call it Tipat. We use this dish usually for ceremonies, and also we serve with many other Balinese dishes. So, to make this dish, you will need jasmine rice or any other fluffy white rice. I recommended jasmine rice because of the consistency, and water, and some young coconut leaves, or if you don't have young coconut leaves, you can use banana leaves. So let's start. First thing we need to do is wash the rice twice. So I'm going to add 2 cups of rice. I'm going to soak the rice in water for 2 hours. So just make sure you add the water about 3 centimeters on the top of the rice. While the rice is soaking, we will prepare the parcel. So here I have 3 young coconut leaves, and here 3 parcel that I made earlier. So I'm going to show you how to make it. Make a diagonal cut at the base. If you open the leaf, you will see the spine, and we're going to remove that, but we will leave about 2 centimeters near the diagonal base. So I'm going to remove that now. So you see here is about 2 centimeters, and that will looks like this. And now I'm going to fold it. The first thing I'm going to do is fold it, and then make a circle, make another circle, make a small circle, and leave this alone. And then we take another part, we make a little loop, put it inside, so the one thing left here, we're going to put into the small circle on the top and under. So we have 2 on the top and 1 underneath. So this one we put here, and we make another loop. You can see here is a 1 and 2 and 3. So on the top of the 1 and under 2. So we have another 2 on the top and 1 underneath. So we need to take this and put it here. So turn around, put this here, and you find this and this. So we have another 2 on the top and 1 underneath. And here we have another one inside. So just do this. And it's ready. So we're going to tighten it. So pull and pull again around. and another one. And done. The rice is been drained, so I'm going to put into the parcel. So the way we're going to put is open this and this push, so you can see the hole, and I'm going to fill a half of the parcel. So take the rice and put inside. You can see when I press it, it's a half of this, yeah, around half of this. So we close and we keep aside. So I'll continue to fill all the parcel. I filled the parcel already. Now I'm going to show you how to make the rice cake with banana leaf. So here I have 4 pieces of banana leaf around 20 centimeter wide, and I'm going to cut the hard part. One of these here and fill with the rice. Whatever pouch you use or parcel, just make sure that you always fill with the rice only half of the size of the parcel. I'm going to put another more. I press here using the bamboo stick, or if you don't have bamboo stick, you can use the toothpick. And then drop the rice down. So measure the rice. So the rice is this much, so you need to put this much. So half rice, half empty. So fold it. You need to put 5 holes into the banana parcel so that it stays ventilated. 3, 4, 5. Because you can see here in the young coconut parcel, we can see the hole here, and hole here. It's quite lots of hole. So now I'm going to boil them for 2 hours. And we start with the cool water here. Add the parcel. So just make sure you put enough water to cover them. So I'm going to add little bit more water. We're going to boil this for 2 hours, but just remember after 1 hour we need to add some more water because some of the water is already evaporated. And see you in 1 hour. Hello, I'm back. It's been 1 hour. Now I'm going to add some more water. Hello, I'm back. It's been 2 hours and the parcel should be ready now, and I just turn off the gas. So I'm going to take them out. Here we are, traditional Balinese rice cake. And please cool it down first before you serving, because that will help them to more stick together. So I'm going to open one. Yeah. Like you can see, it's fluffy, soft, and smell good because of the young coconut leaf. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes and see you next time. Matur suksma!